On this episode, I propose we check out some headphones. Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and on this episode we're going to be checking out the Earfun Air Pro 2 wireless earbuds. These Bluetooth headphones are great value for money, coming in at under £100 and feature active noise cancelling technology, something you don't normally see at this price. So let's take a look in the box and see what you get. Really lovely little case you get with these, got a real high quality feel to it. You got the headphones themselves with that black gloss finish. See what we've got underneath the headphones? Just some tips on how to clean the headphones, which is kind of handy, and some instructions. They give you a couple of different options for the rubber tips on the earbuds as well, so if the ones that they come with don't quite fit properly, you can always change them over and see what feels more comfortable. You've got your USB-A to USB-C charging cable in there as well, really handy to have that in the pack. And a little Q-tip as well to help you clean the headphones, that's handy. For under £100, these are incredible. They really don't feel or look like cheaper headphones. You got the rubber earbuds on these, so they fit really nicely in the ear canal, and they also provide a really great bass response as well. Like most earbuds these days, you've got that magnetic snap which begins the charging process. It also stops you from losing them if you're putting them back in the case on the go. And there you go, the Earfun Air Pro 2 wireless earbuds. Absolutely incredible quality for the price, packed with features. If you'd like to know a little bit more about them, why not pop into your local Richer Sound store? You can see our store finder link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye bye.